What's up mga kabit? Guys, update lang tayo sa cdfi.fund. Ayan na naman, may lalabas na naman na game na pwede ka mag-participate at kumita. Well, do your own research pa din. Pero ito, sige, reviewin na natin. What's up? What's up? What's up mga kabit? Ito guys, si Gaia Everworld. So, kailan ba siya? Kailan siya? Click natin guys. In 4 days and 11 hours, pwede na siyang mag-participate. So, ayan, total raise BUSD. Siyempre, wala pa. Kasi hindi pa. So, abangan nyo lang. Kayo bahala. Ano ba tong Gaia na to? Gaia Everworld is a part of new generation of gaming being built on the blockchain, which gives players full ownership of their character. So, play to earn to. And rewards from their playing in a play to earn model of gaming, which has taken the crypto space by storm in 2021. So, ang token price niyan guys, ito mag-i-start 6.5 Gaia. So, sa 1 BUSD, meron kayong total of 6.25 Gaia. So, ayan guys, abangan nyo tong Gaia Everworld ha. And hindi lang yun guys, marami pa na mga lalabas and sa future, i-update ko agad kayo pag meron. So, you can also check guys yung Twitter para mas inform kayo. Ayan, nakalagay dito, let's enter and discover the mysterious lands of Gaia Everworld. Pwede nyo i-follow yan sa Twitter. And you can also guys read the full article to learn all the details about the game and the IGO on November 1. Ang allocation, $300,000. IGO price is 0.16. Vesting is 25%, TGE, and 25% monthly for 3 months. Lalagay ko na rin yung medium para mabasa nyo guys yung etong Gaia Everworld. So nakalagay dito, today we are excited to take you on a journey into the mysterious lands of Gaia Everworld. The Gaia Everworld IGO is coming up on the CDFI Launchpad on November 1st na yan. So as you can see guys, ito yung game characters na Everworld. Gaia, the mythical warring creatures of the mysterious land known as Gaia Everworld. So meron din silang breeding as you can see dito. And of course, ito yung kanilang map and metaverse. So ito guys, yung mga itsura ng sample characters nila. Maganda rin ang graphics, no? Of course, lahat guys na nabibili nyo dito is considered NFTs. By the way, para sa mga hindi nakakaalam na IGO, it's initial game offering. So meron din silang battle mode, may legion mode, yan. So RPG. Pwede rin kayo mag-buy and sell sa kanilang marketplace. And ang official token nila guys, under ERC network yan, itong Gaia nga. And GGP. So ito guys, you can check yung kanilang tokenomics. You can also join itong mga social media networks nila to have an additional information and pwede rin kayo magtanong-tanong sa kanila, even the developers. So paano ba kayo bibili ng Gaia? Just go to cdfi.fund. But guys, let me remind you na in order to participate, you have to stake S-Fund. Kailangan nyo mag-stake ng S-Fund or yung CDFI na token para syempre makapag-participate ka. If you wanna know more about it guys, I'll put the link on the description about the CDFI version 2 lock staking and farming. Nakalagay nga dito, today we are thrilled to share more information about the new staking and farming website, the first CDFI version 2, which will go live on October 25. So as stated here guys, to participate in IGOs or initial game offering, S-Fund holders will need to lock their S-Fund tokens in the staking pool of their LP tokens in the farming pool. And guys, dun yan sa may cdfi.fund. So ayan siya guys. Of course, more commitment, more rewards. So ito yung itsura niyan guys, makikita niyo yan sa mismong website nila sa cdfi.fund. So madali lang naman guys, ayan po ang medium, ilagay ko sa description para makita niyo tong getting started nila. Or you can click here guys, no? Connect your wallet and then participate na dito. May step 1, step 4, ayan, sundan niyo lang guys yung instruction na to para makapag-stake ka na and makapag-farm. So ayan guys, pasok na rin kayo syempre sa mga social media nitong CDFI. So ganun lang kabilis yung update natin for today sa CDFI. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Guys, kung nagustuhan mo yung content ito guys, just hit the like button. Thank you so much for subscribing. Maraming salamat po sa oras mo. Kung gusto mo na updated ka lagi sa cryptocurrency, sa token, sa NFT games, sa trading at kung ano-ano pa, well, hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated. Yun lang. God bless you.